Welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a fully functional schedule in Framer using Planby for Framer and Planby Schedule CMS Sync plugin in just a couple of minutes. First, copy Planby Schedule for Framer into your project. Open the component settings and change the template to the light theme. Next, go to Framer CMS, create a new collection called Channels. You can import your data from CSV, Google Sheets, Notion, HubSpot, or any other source supported by Framer CMS. In this tutorial, we'll use the provided CSV files. Now create another collection called Events and import your event data using the same approach. Once both collections are ready, open the Planby Schedule CMS Sync page and add the plugin to your project. Open the plugin. You'll notice that your CMS collections and fields are automatically mapped out of the box, so in most cases there's nothing to configure. Click Import Images to upload all external images into Framer Assets. Then click Update Selected to synchronize your schedule with Framer CMS. In just a second, all your data appears inside the schedule. Open Preview to see everything working instantly. Your schedule already includes all of Planby Schedule's built-in features, including responsive layouts, event images, beautiful styling, and the event details pop-up. Whenever you update your content in Framer CMS, simply run the sync again to refresh the schedule. Finally, publish your site, and that's it. In less than 2 minutes, you build a fully functional CMS-powered schedule for conferences, festivals, event websites, TV guides, or any timeline-based project, all inside Framer.